In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a table to a Wix website. Whether you're creating a website for your business, personal projects, or anything in between, adding a table is a great way to present information in an organized and visually appealing way. Tables are perfect for showcasing product comparisons, pricing structures, schedules, or even data summaries. Wix makes it simple to add and customize tables, even if you're not a tech expert. By the end of this video, you'll have all the tools you need to seamlessly integrate a table into your website. Let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, select the specific site you want to work on. If you manage multiple Wix sites, be sure to pick the one you'd like to edit. Take a moment to confirm that you're working on the correct site before moving forward. Now that you've selected your site, it's time to navigate to the Wix website editor. This is the area where all the magic happens. You can access the editor from your Wix dashboard by clicking the Edit Site button. Once the editor loads, you'll see the familiar layout of your website, along with the tools and options to make your changes. Next, look for the CMS icon in the sidebar. This icon is a critical part of managing your content on Wix. The CMS, or Content Management System, is where you can create and organize elements like databases, dynamic pages, and of course, tables. Once you locate the CMS icon, click on it to bring up the CMS panel. In the CMS panel, you'll see a button labeled Add to Site. Clicking this button will allow you to add new elements, like a table, to your website. It's important to note that this step ensures your table will be properly integrated into your site's design and functionality. Now, shift your focus to the main editor toolbar, which is typically located on the left-hand side of your screen. Look for a plus icon. This is your gateway to adding new elements to your site. Once you find it, click on it to open up a menu of all the available options. From this menu, locate and select the List option. Lists in Wix are versatile tools that can be styled and formatted in various ways, and they're the foundation for adding a table to your site. Don't worry if you're unfamiliar with this step. Just follow along and everything will come together shortly. After selecting List, you'll see an option for Tables. This is where you'll actually add the table element to your website. Click on Tables, and you'll notice a table placeholder appear on your page. This placeholder is completely customizable, so don't worry about the default size or style. You'll be able to adjust everything to suit your needs. Finally, to give your table a polished and professional appearance, choose the Highlight option. This will allow you to apply a pre-designed style or format to your table. Wix offers several visually appealing options that you can use as is or tweak further to match your site's overall design. Take your time here to ensure the table aligns with your site's branding and layout. And that's it! You've successfully added a table to your Wix website. From here, you can populate it with your data, adjust the styling, and even link it to dynamic content if needed. Adding tables to your site not only helps you display information more effectively, but also enhances the user experience for your visitors. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.